The basic principles underlying project management. What is project management about? Project management is a disciplined approach to planning, organizing, executing, and overseeing the successful completion of specific goals and objectives within a defined time frame and budget. Project structure. A project structure refers to the way in which a project is organized, including how tasks are divided, roles and responsibilities are assigned, communication flows, and decision-making processes are established. Communication plan specifies how communication will occur among project stakeholders. Definition phase. The definition phase, often referred to as the initiation phase, is the initial stage of a project where the project's objectives, scope, and feasibility are defined and clarified. Clear goals. Specific, clear goals are precisely defined and leave no room for ambiguity. Measurable. A clear goal is quantifiable, allowing progress to be tracked and measured objectively. This enables individuals and teams to assess their performance and determine whether the goal has been achieved. Achievable. While goals should challenge individuals and teams to stretch their capabilities, they should also be realistic and attainable within the given constraints. Transparency about the project status. Transparency about the project status involves openly and accurately sharing information about the progress, challenges, and overall health of a project with relevant stakeholders. Risk recognition. Risk recognition, also known as risk identification, is a fundamental step in the risk management process. It involves systematically identifying potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the success of a project, initiative, or organization. This qualitative assessment helps prioritize risks for further analysis. Risk ownership. Identifying risks allows you to assign ownership to specific team members who will be responsible for monitoring and managing those risks. Managing project disturbances. Managing project disturbances, also known as project disruptions or unexpected events, is a crucial aspect of effective project management. Disturbances can range from minor setbacks to major crises, and how they are handled can significantly impact the project's success. Responsibility of the project manager. Define project objectives, scope, and deliverables. Develop a comprehensive project plan, including timelines, milestones, and tasks. Identify and engage project stakeholders, including clients, sponsors, team members, and end users. Assemble project teams, assign roles and responsibilities, and provide clear direction. Identify potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the project's success. Project success. Project success refers to the achievement of project objectives and goals within the defined scope, timeline, budget, and quality standards. It signifies that the project has delivered the intended results and value to stakeholders and has met or exceeded their expectations. Conclusion. In the realm of project management, success is a multidimensional achievement that encompasses not only the technical fulfillment of objectives but also the alignment of stakeholders' expectations, the mastery of challenges, and the delivery of value.